When Pam, our product manager, isn't in meetings, she spends most of her time in Gmail, reading and responding to email. In her never-ending quest to keep control of her inbox, she is constantly looking for ways to keep from context switching. OpenSocial gadgets are a great way for her to supercharge her inbox and turn it into her main communications hub. Alongside her email and Twitter feed, she's now able to see Confluence status updates, search for related wiki content, file issues to Jira, as well as see activity coming from her team. It looks like a light morning as Pam only has 2 unread emails, so she dives right in. Her first email is a bug report that was sent by one of her beta testers. Since creating issues in her project is something Pam does quite often, she uses the Jira Quick Create Issue gadget to create issues in one click. The gadget stores as a preference what project and issue type she most commonly creates. She simply copies and pastes the body of the email into the input box, clicks Create, and the issue is created. Clicking on the link allows her to view the issue in Jira, where she could add additional information if necessary. OpenSocial gadgets from Jira in Gmail have allowed Pam to read and respond to her first email without context switching. So she moves on to the second email. The second email is an announcement that Mark, a former QA engineer, is going to be joining her team as a developer. Since Pam's going to have to work more closely with Mark now, she adds Mark as a contact. She also adds him to her OpenSocial friends list. The Jira Studio activity gadget on the left loads activity on Jira Studio for all of her OpenSocial friends. When she reloads the page, Mark's activity is now in this gadget. She filters on Mark's name and clicks his name so that she can view his Jira Studio profile directly in the Gmail Canvas view. She scrolls through Mark's activity stream to see what projects he's been working on most recently. Pam then scrolls down the page to see Confluence status updates coming from her network at work. She reads through other people's statuses, and since she's finished reading email, she decides that she's going to go check on her project status. She updates her own status to indicate that she's checking on the project status, and then she scrolls up to the Confluence Quick Nav gadget. The Confluence Quick Nav gadget allows her to search content on her enterprise wiki. She types in a few characters of her project's name and clicks the link to open her project's homepage. From there, she's able to check her project status. OpenSocial gadgets in Gmail coming from Atlassian products have allowed Pam to work through her email inbox quickly with less context switching.